Scene opens with an Indian IT professional sitting intently at their computer workstation. Technician: hello and welcome to Tech Lab, the go-to place for all things tech and cloud computing. I'm Neeraj, and today I'm taking you deep into the world of Microsoft Azure through the lens of operational excellence. Ready for some hands-on learning? Let's dive in. Cut to animated visuals showing an operational excellence pillar in action. Technician: firstly, at the heart of operational excellence is the Service Fabric and Azure Operator Framework. Service Fabric is a robust framework that lets you build and manage scalable, high-performance applications and microservices, while Azure Operator Framework automates deployments and updates. For instance, imagine deploying a critical application during off-peak hours to minimize disruptions and applying security patches without downtime. Both the frameworks are pivotal in achieving operational excellence in Microsoft Azure. Cut to live demo showing a scripted pipeline workflow. Technician: our second technical point brings us to effective use of CI/CD and automation with Azure DevOps. Picture deploying to production with zero user downtime using self-deployed UX clusters, ensuring a seamless DevOps experience. Automating your build, test, and deployment processes helps maintain high availability and facilitates quick iterations, ensuring rapid growth and stability. Showcase visual simulation. Technician: thirdly, the monitoring and operational intelligence play an indispensable role in operational excellence. Using Azure Monitor for collecting and analyzing telemetry data and setting up Azure AI for real-time KPIs, like predicting system failures before they occur, ensures proactive responses to unforeseen issues. Picture a smart cloud environment that self-manages, self-heals, and self-optimizes to maintain uptime. Close scene of user monitoring system in action. Technician: in summary, achieving operational EXC